wena.
Wo.
Okay, sharpen kabi.
Uyazi shield? Shield. Yazi laba ibizana? Show.
King.
Hayi, shield, kishield. Shield kisho.
Ungathola nechelo nomntana. Ngoba
kaloku inomntana ngangowami.
wena njani?
Ngajoy.
Why?
Simpondo hayi bochimbondo.
If I wanna say I got paid in Chinese, what do I say?
In Mandarin Chinese, I got paid is 我得到了报酬。
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody is doing great. If you are seeing me for the first time, igama lami ngu-Amani and I'm bringing you the best local content. So if that's what you're into, make sure you subscribe and let's get on with today's video. Miss Banana.
Ngithi mina ngeke empangeni 2 days isekho yonke le nto yabo semgaqweni in the middle of nowhere ngeke empangeni
That's definitely not South Africa.
bekhona obafo
No. No they can't. No they can't. No they can't. No they can't. No they can't.
Indoda ayikhali iyasuza. Wonder whose teachings with those.
One, two, three.
Ay. Le with the blue trousers was cheating. No.
Shuthi mfana mekhona ukuthi ube mubi nenhlanhla isabe nokuhlala kuwe yabo. Hayi kabi uzalwe kanjalo. Shuthi lapho ngisho ukuthi sisitopeni bafethu ukuthi mawumubi bese ulanda icherembi. Impilo zabantu lezo dlala ngazo. Sifuna umhlaba omuhle, sifuna abantu abahle. Angifuni umntwana engizosaba ukumsupporta. Oricheri yami ngithi hamba ngizokuthola phambili. Ungazongithena. Funeka le ngithi baby asambe yini manje soyajola. Yabo. Silwe silwela ubuhle. Ngathi sengihlula ngobuthi nami ngazalwa ngenjalo. Kube into emnandi yabo.
Akasawateketisa ama-China lo sis.
Indaba emlazi kuhlezi igqoka into eyodwa mgqoko phaqa iskin sasebhishi nevest wonke umfana wakho nigqoka kanjalo.
Aim is not to sweat. Better with experience. But the thing that I'm looking at on this video is the guy at the back with the goofy boots. What's happening there?
ShopRite trolleys. If you know, you know.
Mina ngi 2000 ne noma ngibuza i-team best la South Africa yini ngizothi Sundowns ukulandela Orlando Pirates elandela SuperSport landela Orlando Pirates yazi why mina ngi 2000 ama trophy Kaizer Chiefs angizange ngiwabona since I was born ngabona ya 2015 kuphela ngabona nale ngibone 2 ama trophy Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ngithi i-team enkulu mina ngi 2000 ungangitshela nge-history mina angazange ngibone i-Pirates Party League but i-Chiefs ngeke ngithi i-team enkulu because zange ngiwabone history wangitshela into ka-19 ngi 2000 mina baba 2000 ngithi okay
i-Chiefs asoyi-team enkulu what
ata mangaba nemali uyakena nawe tanga sonke la singahamba yabo ma okay imali serious mfana 7 yazini lo 7 golf 7 hey sobangene njalo sifike bomnandini enze nje ingane lelana abangingane zikakhiphi oh shayite ngaki hamba Ama ngiyathemba kuye yabo manje sizoqala ngithandaze
uyalowa qale
impilo danga manje ngiyafuna ngibambe da kubo 20s cha ngibambe kubo 20s Friday ngiyakelo da
Who's gonna pay ke ngoko for le wine?
Bawo.
Yeah.
Diphethe inyoka apha ne because for research purposes ne kase ihlenda down eshusha. Research purposes. Research. Suka forward.
Sizohlala naye eCamp kwami.
Hayi lo.
Hamba ke eCamp kwami. Siyahlala bangemva.
Sengelo hlasa phezulu kunjini.
Ufuni mina. Hlala bangemva bru.
Ayizokwenzani? Akeke kwenze nix ne. Ayizokwenzani? Mina is for research purposes. No, bawo ngicela ayilungile yini. Suka before when ndiyayisa
Driver uthi ufuna ubona ke
nayo lenyaka yakho. Kolapha ngemva.
hayi ezokwenzani sizo
Dibane nyoka mina uyibona
but edini yaqala nje nyoka ejeli formal chobiyelo lokho edini yaqala ngolo nyoka
mina ndakhisenza isizolo sengisekelele nyoka.
elangeni ba ndifuna ilanga
Uzoliwa kabeke.
bawo hayi andidisappoint bawo njalo lento wathi umuntu hayi bawo kodwa into
Ngakumu.
ifile la isebenzi lento ndilibonise libosifile ndilibosifile hayibo njani
the show must go on.
Ka mo go tonya ka gona ina setse ke boifa le go latlhela CV gape ba ka go hira ka nnete.
Go home bra. And then the girl at the back acted like nothing happened. She fell and got up so quickly and continued to dance.
wala agcineni basubuka
wena
uzonqamula unyawo niyahlanya nini ukuthi nibone esombeni cha okay uqhamuke babhekana vele
You didn't switch the camera.
Mama yazenza njani khipha lezi ithombe lezi oshuthe khona nami yabo ushiye lezi zakho kuphela khona uzothola ama likes ngoba ngeke uzwathole mekhona mina khipha nje lezi ezami nawe uyifake wena kuphela yabo ngaze ngibone abantu abarong phela kunezitha mina uyazi nje nami khipha yeah
Hayibo. Ngane kwani.
Nanokuthi angifuni kube khona abantu abazongena phakathi kwethu yabo. Yeah, kuzomane ngene abantu phakathi kwethu. Sheshe uyikhiphe kuse-early.
Hey ubafona amaqhinga yonke. He already has a partner. So akafuna upostwa.
Hey, that's not a goo. Yeah, not a goo I am. Yeah, not a goo. Yeah, shut. Hey, that's not a goo. Yeah, not a goo I am. Yeah, not a goo.
Hayibo.
Yeah, shut. namhlanje siyazisupportisa ngiyazi namhlanje kumele ngene ku-top 8
awungena
abaluzile
Please guy, kanti bayekeni man ama-Kaizer Chiefs fans. That was today's video, bafethu. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next one. Sure.